I have this forest stock video that I'm gonna use. If you want this video, link will be in the description. Let's create our cinematic title. Click and hold on pen tool and select the rectangle tool. Draw a square like this. Make sure you have only add stroke to this artwork. To get this graphic to center of our video, use the align panel. Use these keys to center our graphic horizontally and vertically. Then go to the effect control panel to add a simple animation. Go to the opacity section and drop a 0% keyframe right in the beginning. Move your playhead couple of frames forward and drop another keyframe for 100%, or you can just use the reset parameter key. Right click on the first keyframe and make it a Bezier keyframe to make the animation smooth. Let's play our animation one time. I think it's look good. Now let's create our title. Grab the type tool and click on our program to make the title. You can type anything you want. These are the settings I'm gonna use. If you want the font I'm using, link will be in the description. Put the tracking number as 200 for this, or you can adjust however you want. Align our text horizontally and vertically. Select a position like this in your timeline. Go to the effect control panel and scroll down to the opacity section. Click on the 4-point polygon mask tool to create a mask, or you just can draw a mask using pen tool in the opacity section. You can adjust your mask however you want by dragging these points. Put the mask feather as 0. Choose a time frame and make it a 0% opacity mask. And click on this toggle animation key to drop a keyframe on your element. Move your playhead forward like 10 frames and make a 100% opacity keyframe. Make the first keyframe as a Bezier keyframe to smooth your animation. Now let's look at our animation. You can adjust your keyframes by dragging them. Click on pen tool to create another mask. You have to create a mask for every letter of your title. You can adjust your feather by dragging this. Choose a time frame that your first lettered half appeared. Drop a 0% opacity keyframe on your effect control panel for mask 2. Move your playhead a little bit and drop another keyframe for 100%. Make the first keyframe as a Bezier keyframe as well. Now you can see the letters of our title is appearing randomly. Now repeat this method and make all the letters by using opacity masks. Now we're all done. Let's look at what we created. If you learned something from this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more great videos.